In this video, I would like to show you how to play around with worksheets and workbooks. This will be a novice video. It's a beginning of in Excel. And apart from that, please excuse my voice. I have throat pain, something challenging. So just I made this video. And in this video, I'll show you how to do worksheets and how to play around in the worksheets in a workbook. So uh, let's start in the simple process. So this is my workbook, and these are my worksheets 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the thing is that if I want to rename a workbook, I can direct double click here and I can rename whatever I would like to. I will be doing this into GHIJ. So it's a caps lock. You can shift and J. Now you can do is right click and rename. And apart from that, if you want to color a workbook, so we can click in the workbook, and here we can give a tab color, any color if you want. You can give here is a green, some more colors, and also all basic simple things. And apart from that, if you want you can see all the things over here. If you want to hide a workbook, you can just hide it. So the workbook is hidden now. You can hide this. And if you want to unhide the workbook also, you can right click and unhide it. So you can select which is the workbooks you want to unhide. Either you can hide one or you can unhide both. You can unhide this. Okay. Apart from that, now if you want to copy a workbook, I'll be showing how to copy a workbook. Sorry, how to copy a worksheet. If I want to copy this, I can do different ways. I can move or copy. Right click, move or copy. So here I can copy in any of these areas. If I click here and I do OK, I don't want to select this. So this has come here. You just change the position. So it was in the middle. Now the same thing. If you want to move or copy, move to I can do move to end, but I will be doing is just move to end. So if it's long lengthy workbook, if I do OK, now it has come here. Or manually you can click and you can pull it over here. You can pull it over here. You can pull it in the end. So you can play manually also. Now if you want to duplicate this, what you have to do is right click, move or copy, create a copy. So it will be going in the beginning. If you see, this techie will be going in the beginning. Okay, so you can see now it is in the beginning. Now this is a duplication again. Now if you want to move into end, move to the end. Now it has come here. Now one more technique is click the control button and pull it over. This is an error which is there in this. I'll be showing you in the next videos. So now let me do yes, 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 yes. So this is the next part of my video. As I will show you ranges error, how to resolve this. Okay, so you can see now it is copied here. Now I want to show you how to take this into a new workbook. So after copying, I will show you. The thing is, if you want to make into new, right click, move or copy, and here you can see something over here. You have to do is click this, and you can see this already workbooks have been used, a new workbook. So the thing, if you have to do is create a copy. If you don't do create a copy, let me delete this. Right click and delete it. Now if I don't do a create a copy, it will be going to the other way. So if you say move or copy, always create a copy and new workbook. Okay. So this will be creating a copy in the new workbook. So this is a new workbook. You can see new workbook. So it is just created a copy. If I want to This is my old workbook and worksheets. This is my original page. Now, if what will happen if I do duplication also, I'll just control and I will just leave it over here. Now, right click, move or copy, and I will not do create a copy. So, what will happen is the book file which I already created. If I click this, automatically this will cut and paste. It will not leave a copy over here. So, you can see it has also we have move or copy workbook file. We can move to the end also there. So you can see in the workbook file it moved to the end. So you have to be very careful when moving and copying all those stuff or creating and copying. Here also you can play around. You can move this to end. You can go here and there. Right click, change the color if you want. And apart from that, if you want to hide a worksheet, what you will do is hide. So it will be hiding your worksheet. If you want to hide, again right click, hide. There are other options over here in from the menu also. You can hide it. So this is the faster one because it's just over here. If you want to unhide it, you can just click, and whatever you want to unhide, you can unhide it. You can unhide the other one also. Right click, unhide. So this is the way we have showed you how to work in the workbook and worksheet. Suppose if you want to lock this workbook and worksheet, what is the best thing to do is right click, protect sheet. So this will be protecting the sheet. So the best method is go to review, protect workbook. So it will lock the it will lock from people to play around. If nobody can play around or remove or add or delete, so it will restrict them. So the restriction you have to make this. If you don't put a password, it's also okay. So it will not allow you. It won't allow you. So this is without a password. So you can't make now. You can't. You can see that move and or it is the cells are dead. Sorry, the functions are dead over here. You can't click and you can't get anything. So if you want, you have to unprotect it. Now it has been unprotected. Now you can see move or copy. But it's also very difficult if somebody has unprotected it. So you should give a password. So what you will be doing is go to protect workbook, give some password. The password is very convenient. There is no alphanumeric or any sort of criteria in the password. You can give any password, even if you put a dot or one also. Just re-enter the password and okay. Now you can see it has been locked. You can't move around. You can copy. It will give you a no parking signal, something of like that kind. So if you want to again, if you want to make it, just you have to resubmit the password and do okay. So I taught you how the various way to create the workbook, move around the workbook, create into a new workbook and all. Okay, now the biggest function over here is when you uh, when you copy and when you duplicate and when you get some errors. So now I want to copy this. I want to move or copy. I want to move or copy. I want to create a copy and do OK. So you get this error. The name add is already there. Click. So you'll be thinking, what error is this? Why I'm getting this error? And you can see there is uh, no there is no hidden. I'll show you, there is no hidden names. So if you do no also, it doesn't allow you. It doesn't leave you. You have to give some name. If you click this, it doesn't allow you. So either you have to do S again, blue apple. It's already coming. Again, you have to do S. Now, if you do no also, if you give some name, if I give numerical name, it's the syntax error because it doesn't take numerics. And if you give some alphanumeric, again okay, alphanumeric is okay. But again, apart from that, again you have to go if you give no, and if you give something alphanumeric and a dash and something like this, syntax error. So the name also cannot be the same. If I give the name ASD, okay, and again if I give a name ASD, okay, the name already exists. So it's very annoying, irritative, and very uh, it's very what do you say? I don't know what to name. It's annoying, irritating, and it's very much tense situation. You know, you get panicked when you get this error again and again and again. So if I do this, okay, I can do is ASD2. Okay, syntax error. Yes, yes, yes. I have to keep on giving yes, 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 yes. So I'm fed up with this. Why I'm getting this error? Because I have no hidden sheets. You can see I have no hidden sheets over here. If I don't have uh, any hidden sheet. There is no hidden sheet. But why I'm getting this error when I'm copying this? This is the main thing I made this video for. So the problem here is you have to go to the name manager to check the error. But you can see here there are no ranges. There are no ranges. But why am I getting this error? Again, if you copy this again, you'll get the same thing. If you want to see, you can see again, you'll be getting the same thing. So if you make convert this into a new workbook, if you move this into a new workbook also, automatically all those errors will be transferred there. Even if it is going for the new workbook also, new book, the things it will be copying there, but later you will get the same errors over there. This is because there are some ranges which have to be deleted. So you can go to formulas name manager. See, you can see these ranges. These ranges are without any reference, but these ranges are making your life worse. So it's all sort of flash fields and all ranges. If you have done flash fields and workbooks and worksheets, all sort of ranges over here. So the what we can do is we can't do anything. Just we have to remove this. It's like a bug or a virus. Click here, go to the end, control the shift button, and delete this. So now it's gone. So now you can make copy as much as you want. You can copy as much as you want. So now the error is gone. You can delete. You can control all. You can delete one shot also. Right click. So you can group. This all group sheets, and you can delete this. And apart from that, if you don't want to copy, if you want to make a new sheet, just click on the plus button or just insert. So there is various options over here. The most of us we use this option. You can this is the way to insert a new one, or you can hit the plus button to insert a new worksheet. So here I have showed you how to work on worksheets, how to copy, how to move, how to rename, how to color. If you want, I can it's just if you want to see how to color. It's just to color. If you want to make it red, if you want to make it into green, and if you want no color also, you can say no color. So right click. So all the options are there in the right click button to move to mids and uh, things like that. If you are having too many sheets, as I showed you, if you want to move to the mid, if you want to move this move copy in the mid, you can move from here, or in the beginning you can go from here, or you can move to the end, move or copy, move to the end. So without copying. Now if you want to copy this, move or copy, create a copy. It will be in the beginning.